What is a confined space? A confined space is any place, including a chamber, tank, vat, silo, trench, pipe, sewer, flue, well, or other similar space in which, by virtue of its enclosed nature, there arises a reasonably foreseeable specified risk. The hazards associated with confined spaces can include toxic or flammable gases or a deficiency of oxygen. Hazardous chemicals may be present or introduced, or there may be a risk of drowning due to liquid suddenly pouring in, or anyone inside the confined space may become asphyxiated by the sudden pouring in of a free-flowing solid, or by the presence of other hazardous substances. Confined spaces are very dangerous places and have claimed the lives of over 120 people in the last 10 years, which is twice as many people as you see here. You rarely get a second chance in confined spaces. You either identify any problems and resolve them through risk assessment and safe systems of work, or you're dead. The Confined Spaces Regulations of 1997 have been introduced to address the dangers of confined spaces in today's working environment, and have replaced and updated earlier legislation such as Section 30 of the Factories Act of 1961. Let's take a closer look at the regulations. Let's consider each of these requirements in more detail.